Hello everyone and welcome to the historic village of Alton, and I have a super cute cozy home to show you today, and it's bigger than it looks. So let's not waste any time, get down to the top 5 reasons why this home would be perfect for you. Reason number 5. So here we are in the backyard of 19784 Main Street, Alton. We have a large deck which walks out from the huge mudroom as well as the master bedroom. We have a hot tub for those chilly days like today, and you can't see them because of the snow, but nice perennial gardens and 2 raised veggie gardens. And even better, we got this great shed or wood shop. Take a look. It measures 12 by 21 feet and is insulated with power. Now let's get out of the cold and head inside. Reason number 4. As we enter the side door, we have a huge mudroom which I would love for my kids. It accesses the backyard and the large laundry room. Reason number 3, the mudroom opens into the updated eat-in kitchen with a handy pantry, a soaring ceiling, and pass-through to the dining room. We also have a huge master bedroom with walkout to deck, walk-in closet, a second bedroom, and a 3-piece bathroom. Going into the front of the house, we have a large cozy living room with gas fireplace and bright dining room, both with 9-foot ceilings. Reason number 2, now come on up here and check out the loft bedroom. Upstairs, we come to the loft bedroom with a bed area and a sitting or computer area. And through the closet, we come to its own 2-piece bath. This overlooks the kitchen. And reason number 1. And finally, we have the awesome location of historic Alton. The small village of Alton is minutes to Orangeville for all amenities, but offers fine dining at Ray's Bakery and the Millcroft Inn and Spa. The Alton Mill Arts Center and numerous hiking trails are steps away, and TPC Osprey Valley is down the road for world-class golf. Well, thanks for watching our video tour of this awesome home in Alton, which oozes cozy country charm. Be sure to check out more pictures and information at www.thegrimeteam.com, and also for our interactive walkthrough. Until next time, this is Dave Grime signing out, and we'll see you again real soon.